Hey guys, welcome, and here I'm going to show you on how you're going to create awareness for your business, especially online business. So awareness is one of the things which you need to know where to go, and people know that you even existing. So it's a matter for you to letting other people that you are existing. That is awareness is all about. And also you become the source of information for your audience which you're targeting.
But see, they don't know that we know that they know.
And another thing is for you to just emphasize with the problem that either your vendor have facing or the audience have facing. So in short, awareness is just showing your potential as a customer that you existing. So there's a different way for you to creating awareness. Okay, one of the ways it can either be through paid way, and another it can be free way, which sometimes we call it organic way. So when you come to paid way, you can either starting by paid promotion of your content, because this is online things. So you can just in starting your paid promotion of the content which you already have creating. Another way is through YouTube, which is discovering ads. Another also is you need to create either Facebook video ads, and also if you have a blog, you can go with paid blog promotion. That is one of the cool way when you come to every content in place already for you, just into exposing out there for people to know that you are a real person and you're existing. Also, it's a direct response type of ads. Okay, YouTube in-stream ads, which are very also valuable for you to start in using. Another way is through Facebook conversion objective ads, either generating leads and the other thing. Another one is through either click here, get this type of ads which you can using also through Facebook. So there's an advantage when you come to paid promotion or paid way when you come to creating your audience. One of them it's going to be immediately result, because either you pay Facebook a certain percent per day according to your budget per day. So Facebook will start in promoting your ads into an audience in order to consuming the amount. So it's going to be immediately resulting so that they can spend the money which you just setting up for Facebook per day to spend it. So here you're going to see immediately result when you come to paid way. Okay, another one is unlimited scalability. You can scale as long as you want. You can spend in as money as long a lot of money as you want it. That is one of the cool for you to go with the paid way. And also valuable skills. Here you also going to learn some valuable skills which are very demanding in the market. When you come to paid way, you know what I mean. When you know about in Facebook ads, when you know about in YouTube ads, it's something valuable you have in store for you. Another one is safe compared to other method. Then if you have money, that's very easy. That is how you flexing, and that is a cool way, because you know yourself that I pay for this company to promote my business. That's something cool. And also grow at your own pace. Okay, you can either decide, tomorrow I go with this, so let me go and create awareness about me or whatever. That is some of the advantage which you can go with how you're going to creating awareness through paid. Also, by the way, there's some disadvantage. Everything have an advantage and disadvantage. So one of them is required money. So you need to have money, you need to have a budget in place, you need to spending money when you come to running a paid way. Okay, also it's required new skills. So new skills is one of the most important thing. You need to know about YouTube ads, how you're going to targeting people. So either you're going to spending some of the money either to learn about in either Facebook ads. You need to finding a coach or a mentor or a course out there show you on how to create a video ads on this. So required a new skills. And also it's somehow you're going to feel fear when you come to creating your own. Okay, there's no done for you service. So every time either you're a company, you can go and just either hire somebody and do all the work for you. Also, you need to have a new mindset, because when you spend money, sometimes there's not going to be a good result which you're expecting. So remember that you have a business in place. So make sure that you just have a clear mindset on when to go and where to go when you don't have the result you expecting. So those are some of the advantage and disadvantage. Also, another way for you to creating awareness is through organic. Okay, here it means that you need to creating a tribe. That is one of the way, either through building your YouTube channel. You can start in by create your YouTube channel. That is organic. It's a free way, and you also have a Facebook group or another group which you can promoting about yourself. Another thing is Instagram page, which you can also go and create Instagram. All of these are for free. Another thing is searching marketing. Searching marketing through this is organic way. Is going to go with Google SEO for blog or web posting. That's how this is. So you need to learn about search engine optimization. Also YouTube video SEO. So you need to know about this. That is how free traffic, in every time when someone's searching for your product, they're going to be available on your YouTube channel, or you're going to rank it. So you need to go with that. Advantage of this, guys, is minimal financial cost. So here it's not like a paid version, so you don't need a budget in place. You just need your computer and creating content. Okay, another advantage is self-replenishing traffic. So traffic is organic. That's why every time either people searching for it, it's always going to be there. So it's going to be self. There's no need for you to keep on lookout. Also, it's a valuable skills. If you're going to learn about search engine optimization, SEO is something which you need to master it. And you also, when you come to creating YouTube channel, is something also you need to know what you're going to talk on about it. So disadvantage of organic is can be volatile. It can change. Okay, if you are ranking for, especially either you go with a search engine optimization for your posting, for your blog posting, it's going to be volatile. Sometimes there's going to be panda and penguin updating when you come to Google. Maybe you're going to rank in page 1 the first time, and then next you're going to be in page 2 in organic search engine. Okay, so does not mean that it's going to be the same. Also, significant time investment. Remember that, guys, time you're going to spend in when you come to either starting search engine optimization to rank on Google. It's going to take in time. It's not something you create a blog today and you're going to rank tomorrow. It can take in even a year, 2 years for even to be recovered from Google. So it's going to take, you need also issue of backlinks you need to creating for your blog to ranking or video and other stuff. So it's time investment. That is one of the disadvantages. Another thing is constant creation mode. You always need to creating content. Always create content, always updating either your YouTube channel, your Facebook group, your Instagram page, your website posting. Okay, that's how it is. Always have a creation mode. So you need to keep update. Okay, so those are some of the advantage, guys. So remember, we're talking about some of the example for awareness. I already say is through paid way, paid version. Okay, discovering ads when people searching either on YouTube. That is how it is. You're going to have a Facebook ads. That is also another thing. Instagram is through hashtag. You can use hashtag to be in Explorer page on Instagram. So that's how some of the example for you to go and follow along. So guys, that's all. That's how you're going to create an awareness when you come to your online business. So guys, thank you so much for taking your time. Make sure that you like this video and also subscribe and leave a comment. I'll be very happy when you do that. And thank you and peace.
Okay, bye.